Hello everybody. This is the second part of how to choose articles from the Hindu for UPSC beginners. See, I have taken an example of August 4, 2020 Hindu paper. The day was Tuesday. Please note, day by day, the structure of the Hindu newspaper or any newspaper also changes. Okay, sometimes there will be that page and sometimes there will be that page. So, in between the days also, you will have to be very careful what to read and what not to read. We will make a separate video for that also, but right now let us focus on this day's newspaper. See on the head paper on the first page, I think 3 or 4 articles you will find always useful. See this news: the Rajasthan Congress factions inching towards a truce. See, this is very important because it is related to the anti-defection law, which you will study in polity, and it is also an important development in a non-BJP state. So it becomes very useful. The second article on the same page is very important for this. Cut gratuity period to 1 year. Suggests a panel. It is related to employment and what gratuity funds we will provide to our employers. What are the changes in the policy? So this news also becomes very important. The third news on the same page is SpaceX. About SpaceX, this is the leading private firm in USA which does the outsourcing job for NASA, and they have launched their own rockets and satellites also. So this is a very important news regarding science and technology developments. See, this is related to national education policy, three language formula. This news has some important historical perspective also. You will learn about the basics of this issue, the three language issue, in your post independence history for mains. This is related to the three language formula. Now on the second page there are mostly local news, so you will find less important things on this. But see, there is a CSE survey. I already told you the survey reports are very important, so you have to go through them. This news is important because it regards NGT. Wherever you find NGT, you have to read the related news. It is National Green Tribunal. It protects, passes the judgments related to the protection of environment. On the next page, you will find one more news. Rakhi is tied to trees in Aravallis. Why is this important? Because this is a good example of human and nature's collaboration, or you will say the humans' support for the nature. On the next page also you will find more local based news. See, curfew in Srinagar. This is very common news, so this will not be of interest for UPSC exams. Locust or virus issues. This is a prolonged issue. This is going on for a long time. See, this is very important. Imparting education to tribals. Tribals are very important people of our country. They have a special place in our hearts. They represent the history and culture of our country of thousands of years. So they are very important. That any news related to them will be very important. See this news. It's related to farmers. You have to read the farmers. See, food security. See, these are the keywords. Crop prices. These are the keywords which will guide you that I will have to read this newspaper. Okay. Let's move to the editorial page. On the editorial page, there is an article about perceptions versus reality related to Article 370 and the Kashmir. See, this author is saying that there are a lot of myths about Kashmir, or as well as Article 370 being very harmful to Kashmir. He suggests otherwise. So this will be an interesting editorial to go through. I will suggest that the new students restrict their time to one editorial per day. As you gain maturity, you can go for 2 or 3. See, there are parliamentary elections in Sri Lanka. Our neighbors, the issues happening there, the elections, the problems of our neighbors are very important to us. How can we help them? How can they help us? How can we learn from each other? So this becomes very important. Anything related to our immediate neighbors, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Pakistan, Bhutan, Nepal, will be very important to us. Do not skip those articles. Now moving forward, these are political issues. See, Ayodhya dispute, revoke lockdown, saying some BJP MLA, these news will not be that useful for UPSC perspective, although we respect all the news articles. Government to review outcome of military talks or at LSE. LSE will be very important because we had a major clashes on the Galwan Valley with China. So these news will be very important for us. High Court notice to Facebook on a student's plea. There was a girl student. There has been some mishap with the unfortunate girl. This issue is very important because it gives you example of the cyber security threats in our country and how vulnerable our women are. See vaccine trials. The Serum Institute of India. It's already a very important institute of India and they are very much in news. They are famous in news these days because they are collaborating with Oxford University to develop a corona vaccine and they are in one of the final stages of the vaccine development. See this news. Government issues draft policy to ramp up defense exports. We are one of the highest importers of defense equipment in the world. Now we are switching, we are wanting to become a defense export hub. That will be very good for our industry also and our indigenization drive also. This is an issue which is contempt of court related. Mr. Prashant Bhushan has been accused by the court of demeaning them and he on the counter statement he is differing that it's just his opinion on the Twitter and he does not mean any disrespect. See Manrega. Manrega is very important, is one of the core schemes and anything related to this will be important for you to read in a newspaper. Supreme Court helps Brazilian accused break language barrier. It's very important, it's a very good example of respecting every language. Now these will be very less useful to you. Music, sports and these are of very little interest. There may never be a silver bullet for COVID-19, WHO says. This is an important development. WHO is giving such dystopian statements. Why they are giving it, I don't know, but you have to read their opinions. What are they saying? See, US harassing Chinese researchers, says Beijing. These are small issues but yet important. These show the relations currently between US and China. They are strained. The next news is from Russia, mass production of vaccine in 2021. You must read this. How are they doing it? What are their prospects of future? Can they give it to India also? Can India prepare vaccine in 2021? So these news will be important. China suspends treaty with New Zealand. It's very important development. Any strained relationship between two countries is a lesson to be learned. There is always a lesson between good and bad. An Irish Nobel winner John Hume is dead. See, his contributions will be in one or two lines. The Good Friday Agreement, it's mentioned in the newspaper. You should read one or two lines about these newspapers. In the economy and business section, the headlines are very important. Go only into those articles deeply which are related to these organizations: RBI, SEBI, IRDAI, Competition Commission of India, CCI, and other such news such as repo rate and etc. These news will be important and they deserve to take a deeper look into. Otherwise, the private firms, their profits, their losses are not of much interest to us. Okay. Sports page, again there are very rare questions from sports also. Dronacharya Award, it's an important award for our teachers, for our sports coaches. So you must read who are going to be nominated, who are going to win this. The other news, ministry forms talent hunt committees. It's a good initiative from the sports ministry to find people with talent, give them opportunities. So you must go through it. It's already a very small article. And the final news this day, which was important, was related to leopard and involvement. They were saying that they had combined the leopard and tiger censuses. Some people had disagreements that it is not good, it is not fair to combine both the surveys because leopard and tiger have separate kind of habitats. So such news are important because they relate to our, see, leopard and tiger, these are endangered species. We have to protect them. So this news is also important. So an example of, if you are a new student, what I will suggest is Go through the newspaper roughly. Mark Mark 7 to 8 important articles, main news, read them. Initially, 7 to articles are more than enough, believe me. You will also need a lot of time to understand the terminologies used in these newspapers because they are very technical. And one editorial per day is more than good. One editorial in even 2 days is more than good. If you are reading one editorial in a couple of days, I assure you it is very, very, very good. But it must be consistent and you must understand it very thoroughly. We will help you understand this also. For now, goodbye.